How to log into Ride BNB and how to upgrade someone in your own downline in Ride BNB. And the same is going to apply for Ride BNB, but this is specifically for Ride BNB. So you're going to press on Explore or in your Discover browser, your DI browser, you're going to choose ridebnb.world. That is the URL for Ride BNB, and your network will be on OPBNB. You can see it's this one here. Right, make sure that is in place and then you press go. Right, it will bring you to this page. So if it says install Web3 wallet, just press those three dots there at the top and then press refresh. Right, so you're gonna log in. Right, this is the Ride BNB back office. It's still running, it's still active. Right, remember those people that joined in the beginning were automatically carried over to Ride BNB. But Ride BNB is still active, and as you can see from the pop-ups there, people are claiming their royalty claims. They are still registering, still upgrading. So if you want to upgrade someone in your downline, I'm going to take an example here. You're going to go to downline, and we know level 4 people pays you when they upgrade to achiever. So we'll check if there's everyone is here is on ambassador or higher. Let's look at level 5. This will pay you for pioneer. So there's a pioneer. There is an achiever, and we can copy this number. You're going to copy this ID number 391747. Alright, you're going to log out. You're going to scroll up until you see preview ID. Still on the same home page. You don't log in, you just log out and you come to preview ID. Right, and you're going to paste that number in here and you're going to press preview. Now take note that you can see this wallet has got money in the wallet itself. Obviously the person, I don't know who this is, the person doesn't know there is money in the wallet, or they don't have access to the wallet anymore. So what you need to do, you must have money in your wallet. If you have money in your wallet, you can upgrade this person from your wallet by pressing on ambassador. You want it to go to pioneer as well. So you're gonna choose both of them. You must have this amount in your own wallet, and then it will not upgrade now. But if there's money in the wallet, you see it's giving the red rejection sign there. So if you have money in your wallet, you will be able to upgrade this position, and the upgrade funds will go to you. Alright, so that is how you can upgrade people in your team, or actually anybody that registered after you in RainBNB and in RideBNB. RainBNB is going to be exactly the same. The back office just looks different, but it's the same process exactly. Use the preview ID and then make sure that the money is in your own wallet. You see, I don't have money in my current account. It is 0, so if there was enough money there, it would have be able to upgrade that position now. Alright, thank you very much.